Hello children, welcome back to my channel Brighthead Kids. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more videos. So today I have come up with another phonic video. So let's start with phonic blends. UN, that is un. UG, that is ug. UB, which is up. UP, which is up. And the last one is UT, at. So let's start the video. And the first blend is un, bun, sun, run, none, gun, fun. Second blend is ab, cub, tub. Next blend is ug, bug, hug, jug, rug. And the fourth blend is at, hut, cut. And the last one is up, cup, pup. So let's start reading some sentences now. The sun is up. The sun is up. It is hot. It is hot. A cub is by the hut. A cub is by the hut. He has fun in the tub. He has fun in the tub. A bun is on a rug. A bun is on a rug. See the pup run to the rug. See the pup run to the rug. Thank you for watching this video. Please do comment and let us know the topics on which you would like us to make more videos. And subscribe to the channel to be part of Brighthead Kids family.